Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss update. Let's get start the video without wasting your time. So guys, here's problems and WhatsApp notifications not working and not showing on your screen on your phone. So how can fix this issue? Simply step by step and follow them. So first of all, open settings on your phone and then tap here and then scroll down and find notifications settings. Now you can see his showing sounds and vibration. Now tap it and all volumes on and then scroll down and tap notification center. Tap on more settings and check a bubbles toggle turn on and back, and then tap open WhatsApp and click on toggle turn on WhatsApp notifications. After that, toggle turn on all toggle turn on your WhatsApp. So by now tap here. After that, toggle turn on and then scroll down and toggle turn all toggle turn on and back home screen. Again open WhatsApp app on your phone. After that, tap on three dots, click on settings and then tap on notifications. Click here and open and toggle turn on conversation tunes and 7 dots. By scroll down and choose as well notifications bell and then scroll down and toggle turn on high priority notifications and reaction notifications. Scroll down and then here's reactions and use high priority notification toggle turn. And now notification tunes here's on default, but you can change here notifications and back home screen. Now here's fixing this issue, simply said. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.